What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We had the chance to go to Motorsports Park last week, and we took a bunch of cars with us, so I was pretty busy, so I didn't have the chance to film a full video for you guys. But what I did is I took the GoPro along with me when I drove the RPM Motorsports shop car, 2017 ZL1 Camaro. You can find other videos of that car on my channel, but here's just a quick few clips of me driving the car and just a little explanation. We were trying some new things with the transmission calibration, and we were having a problem with the 3/4 shift. So you're going to hear that in a couple of the clips. Hopefully we got everything worked out, smoothed out, and we're going to try it again in a week or two. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. We had 3 passes the other night at Galot. Still learning all this 10-speed transmission stuff. We were in Darlington about a month ago when we really got a hold of it. We made a few changes for Galot, and it looks like we're going to go back to our Darlington tune-up because it was 2/10 faster. So anyway, I appreciate you guys watching the video. I didn't have much of a chance to get in the shop this weekend and do anything with the Trailblazer or the Packard. I spent time in the yard instead because it was really nice out. But anyway, look for more videos coming soon. I'm about to order a bunch of parts for the Trailblazer, so that'll be this week. I appreciate you all watching, and we'll see you next time.